currently cleaning this birds out of this house, getting ready to switch over to Chore-Time equipment.
So this is the old equipment that we've had roughly for 7 to 8 years. That's what's going to be coming out.
This system got it in 2016, and now we're 2023, and it is just so much stuff is going wrong with it as far as maintenance. Our maintenance is killing us. The equipment isn't heavy enough to do what we need to do, and it's rusting from being in the environment that it's in. Major undertaking to take this out. It's gonna take somewhere around 2 weeks to go in here, take all this out, get it outside, and load it on a truck so we can haul it to the scrapyard. We switched it over, decided to go with the Chore-Time stuff for the main fact that it being heavy duty, and it'll serve a better purpose, easier to maintain. We got everything out of the barns, come in and had to cut all the metal and hand remove everything to the walls. And then we come in with a machine and picked it up, packed it out of the barns. A lot of stuff come out by hand. Long ways from front to the back, 460 foot. On demolition, we had about 10 guys in here, a lot of angle grinders and sawzalls, cut it apart, lay it to the side, then we can get a hold of a skid loader, mini excavator, take it out and put it on a scrap truck, haul it to the scrapyard. From the time we went out with birds till the day we got everything out was about 2 weeks. Everything turned out really good. If a person has high repair costs, look into buying some Chore-Time equipment.